Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make pancakes in Yeeps updated. Preheat your Yeeps griddle to medium heat and lightly oil the surface to prevent sticking. Use a 1-cup measure for consistent pancake size and pour batter gently. Watch for bubbles across the top and slightly set edges before flipping once. Cook the second side until golden and serve immediately with butter, syrup, or fruit for a cozy breakfast. In this video, I will explain how to make pancakes in Yeeps updated. Combine flour, baking powder, salt, and sugar in a bowl before adding wet ingredients. Whisk 1 cup milk and 1 egg until smooth, then fold into dry mix until just combined to avoid overmixing. Let the batter rest for 15 minutes so the flour hydrates and bubbles form, which helps create tender, fluffy pancakes on your Yeeps griddle. In this video, I will review how to make pancakes in Yeeps updated. Quick recommendation. On another note, Little Tree's black ice keeps your car smelling great after grocery runs for pancake ingredients. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more recipes and tips. Check the description for the link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will help how to make pancakes in Yeeps updated. Keep the Yeeps griddle at medium heat and test with a small drop of batter first. Cook until bubbles appear and edges set, then flip only 1 time to keep pancakes airy and tender. Stack and keep warm in a low oven if making many, and top with butter, syrup, or fruit to please every guest at your breakfast table.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.